Hey you guys, I wanted to show you this awesome new greenhouse. You know, I'm not always the greatest of gardeners. Stop it, what are you doing? I told him it was going to be on the video, now he has a cramp. Anyway, I don't think he's going to die. Come on, you'll be alright. So, anyway, I was just going to tell you, I'm the worst gardener ever, and I complained all the time that I thought it was my greenhouse. So my husband, who's over here apparently having some sort of a medical issue, bought me this awesome 20 by 10 or 10 by 20. It's called a Shelter Logic greenhouse. And hopefully, because it's big enough and stuff, I'll be able to have a super cool garden. But look, in here. It's huge. And actually, we were in Alaska. Look at this. It's awesome. It's going to be so cool. And we're going to put some like beds on the side. But here's the deal. I am garden challenged. So if any of you guys have any tips about how to make a really awesome garden in here, or YouTube channels that you watch or any of that, let me know. Because when we get back, we're making a trip to Connecticut for a few days, but when we get back, it's going to be all focus on this and getting it going awesome. So that's cool. But you remember I had the little hoop house, and you know, we're so close to the coast, we just get cool wind all the time, and we have all of these super tall trees, so we have a lot of sun blocking, and I just don't get enough sun. It doesn't get hot enough to really be successful on the kind of things you want in your garden. So anyway, that's the next plan. We'll see you when we get back.